And today's challenge in this video is for me to grind out a spot to where I can get my socket into where I can get to the motor mount, because Jason, when he was working on this, he didn't do that. So my challenge is to get the to where I can get a socket in there so I can get the motor mount off of the cradle. So I'm going to set the camera up and get with it. I'm going to try to do this as quick as I possibly can. Now, okay, I'm going to take the this nut off of this right here, and I might need to take this one off too, I'm not sure, but I'm going to try to get in here and grind this part down right there so I can get that nut or that socket in there to which is an 11/15 socket. Let's see if I can get this up. No, that ain't going to work in that way. I'm going to have to get this in there. And, okay, it's on there. Let me get that nut off of there. Put that up there. Put this down here so I don't drop it. It's got a lock washer and a regular washer on it. Let me get that out of there. I think I'm going to change that. That might be a pretty good bolt. I don't know, it's got a lot of marks on it. Could be a strong bolt. We'll see. Alright, now, so that's welded on there. I think I'll just take this one off too, because I got to get that grinder in there and grind this down some, like I said. So, let me see. I can get that on there. So, let me try that. It's a 3/4 inch wrench. Let's do that right there. Man, that's on there. That is really on there. What the hell? Must be one of those nuts. That was on there for some reason. Oh, okay, that's off. Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's jammed on that. Can't get it off the other way. You had to force that in there. Okay. That's loose. Alright, I'm going to try to grind that down. I got to get my earmuffs and mask and put the mask on, as I've been grinding stuff and putting little chips in my glasses, which has been pretty stupid. The 15/16 socket. Okay, it went in there, but let's see something. I got it on there. I'm going to grind it a little bit more up here. Put my mask back on. Maybe I can smooth that out a little bit more. But this goes in there, underneath. Goes in there nice and smooth. That's a 15/16. I don't think you're going to get it high enough to, well, you might. Way up there though. I want to be able to use the tools. That's what I'm talking about. I think that might be. You got a long ways to go. But I want a video under there too. Put the light. Use my phone. Put the light on there. Video of the crank. And all the way up in there. That's probably high enough. Gonna take this, I want to clean those off. This off too. And then take that down and get it powder coated. Yeah. Okay. Sure those bolts or studs are good? Well, I'm going to clean them off. I'm going to clean these bolts off. See if they're stripped, or these studs, which I don't think they are. Look pretty good. Get this side over here. Shit on there. What is that? Oil. Just a buildup. The other day, a little bent or something. You'd be bent too. What if we should clean that off? Maybe not. It's just build up in there. It doesn't hurt a thing. Makes it tough to tighten the bolt up with all that bullshit on there. Paper. Actually, that's probably fine. They look good. They look great. They're fantastic. But I'm not maybe right there a little bit. I'll take them off. Clean these nuts up on those. Clean that up a little bit more. Oh, Al, what are you doing? I'm going to use a wire brush to clean those off. I think it's fine. Man. that one. We have this. These nuts. This one. I think that's what it was, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, this would be a lot easier to deal with this way. Hell yeah. The way it's meant to be. Learn that the hard way, huh? Well, Jason didn't leave me room. He must have put that all on and then put that piece on it.
Yeah, he did, because that washer wouldn't have all that weld on it.
Because he didn't make sure you could get to it when it was all done.
Right, the washer wouldn't have had that weld on it if he'd done it the other way.
Right.
The washer has all kind of weld crap on it. That way he put this on before he welded this. Then he didn't have to worry about putting the motor mount on, because it was already on.
Alright, just hold it up there and I'll get the bolts started.
You on your feet? You ready to run?
I can't get that up there. Like that. Okay. Smarter than the bolt and the nut. Washer and the nut. There it goes.
Being right for now, anyway.
It's not strict if I can do it with my fingers.
No, I'm talking about the nut.
It's fine. It works wonderful.
Not as good as a new one.
Let's do the same thing with this one. Here, get over here. Switch sides with me or something. Okay.
I am stuck on band-aids, because band-aids stuck on me.
Okay, now I'm gonna tighten them.
I am stuck on band-aids.
Now this should have been like it should have been all along. I shouldn't have done this. Well, it might be fast. I don't know.
You doing the back one?
It's right in my eyes. Did you move that? Okay, down here at Leo's Powder and Coating, gonna get these things powder coated. The two bars. Take these in there and set them on the table. Where do you want these? Over here on this table?
Yeah.
Yeah, 3/4 inch. The other stuff.
Oh, that's the bracket there. Oh, you want on that side?
Yeah, I welded these on there.
Okay.
And that one. Ah. Okay.
Everyone glows black, right?
Yeah, that done.
Oh, you want to take this bracket out?
Yeah, take the bracket out. Well, you can keep the bracket. I want that powder coated, but I don't want the.
Tie that thing. You?
Yeah, I do. Use an impact wrench.
No.
Got this, and this. You already did one of these.
Yeah.
So how you been today?
It's a busy day, man. Yeah. Let me get it that one. He's
Socket in there to take the motor mount out.
Oh yeah.
So I had to grind that all out. And then I'm going to weld some more pieces to it, and then we get it down here.
Okay.
It flushed up. I got it to flush up to the cradle.
Okay. No, all thick metal.
Yeah.
All the thick metal is like.
That's hard.
All right.
Yeah. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So yeah, just high gloss.
Okay. So is there nothing here, or no matter?
You can. It just slides on the it slides on the rubber. That's how.
Right.
Yeah.
But I'll let you know.
All right. Thanks, Leo.
Okay. Thank you, Mike.
You get back to work.
Okay.